Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery for the Toyota pickup truck. This one is for the Toyota Tundra, but pretty much all the Toyota's trucks, the way they position the battery is fairly easy to take it out. Okay, so I went ahead and loosened the nuts of the lead. So first, what you want to do is you take unscrew that. Okay. Let's do that. I kind of loosen it up ahead of time for the video, just to shorten the video up a little bit. So yeah, now they're fairly loose. Yeah, I can take it out. This battery's fairly new. I got it at Costco roughly a year ago, but it's dead. For some reason, it's dead. It might be a faulty battery. I'm going to take it out and take it for a test it. And if not, I can just go and I think Costco has a really good replacement program, so I can exchange this one for very little amount of money. They prorate it, and if not, they will change the batteries for me for no cost, I believe. Okay, so I unscrew that one. Okay, and next one is I am going to unscrew this one as well. I did that ahead of time, so it's fairly easy for me to do now. Okay, and the next thing that you want to see this bar to hold down the battery, you want to unscrew that too, which I gotta unscrew that. Okay, and you just have to unscrew it. And there we go. Just make sure you don't lose your screw or your nuts. I think that one is about to come out as well. I'm going to take that out. See, the way you take that out, they have a little hook, so you just have to wiggle it, okay? It's still pretty tight, so I'm going to... Yeah, all the battery for the Toyotas are very easy to replace, and if you want to do it yourself and you save a few bucks, and you can certainly do that. Yeah, just kind of wiggle it. And there you go. See that little hook? And that would hook in there and then just mount it, and that's how they keep the battery in place when you're driving. Okay. And next step, just take that out. Just take that out as well. And now you got a battery. So I'm going to take this out I'm going to take it to Costco and see if they can exchange or prorate the battery for me. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, I took the battery back to Costco, and they actually replaced the battery for me for no charge because it's under warranty. So the process of putting it back together is fairly easy. All you have to do is hook to positive and negative to negative. Okay, but before you do that, I recommend to get one of this. Okay, so that way you can prevent the corrosion on your battery terminal. Just spray it on it. You're all set to go after you hook it up, and that's it. Just 10-15 minutes. Save you $100 or so, depending on where you take them. Put it back. That's it. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.